Have you been thinking of a way of how you could give your RV a fresh new look? Believe it or not, your RV is a reflection of your personality, and it deserves the makeover that will truly reflect you. Hi, I'm Brittany from RecPro, and today I'm excited to introduce to you the aluminum Mesa Siding. Mesa Siding is crafted from high-quality, lightweight aluminum designed for durability and long-lasting performance. Whether you're traveling through harsh weather conditions or parking by the coast, this siding is engineered to resist rust, corrosion, and cracking, keeping your RV looking pristine for years. Thanks to its innovative S-lock shape design, installation is a breeze, offering a smooth, secure fit every time without a hassle. We offer a variety of colors and sizes to choose from, allowing you to customize your RV to your style. Mesa Siding lets you show off your style without sacrificing durability. Upgrade your RV today with Mesa Siding, where toughness meets trendiness, and adventure gets a serious upgrade. If you want to learn more about this product, you can click on the link below. If you like the video and you want to see more of what we do in the future, go ahead and like and subscribe. And remember, when you're rolling down the road, roll with RecPro.